Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2013 Ram 2500 and this thing is massive. We're looking for a giant truck that has tons of great features and you're going to love this truck. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this bright red exterior color. I just love the design of this truck. You have your blacked out grille with your Ram badge in the middle and those two tow hooks in the front, and then you have your halogen headlamps. This does have a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, so super powerful. And then check out those wheels, super customized. Love the red accent to match the truck, and then those tires are just monstrous. I love those. So you have your badging on the side for your Cummins turbo diesel and your Ram 2500 heavy duty. And then looking at your side mirrors, you have those corner lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated with towing mirrors so you can see easier around your blind spot. And then you have these black tubular running boards to help you open the front and the back seat, which you'll really need those because of how lifted this truck is. Looking at these front seats, we have these gray cloth seats. Love that pattern in the middle right there, very comfortable. And then looking over at your steering wheel, have your cluster controls and cruise controls on the front there. And then looking to your media center, you have that LCD display. It can show all of your different radio options. You can subscribe to Sirius XM if you choose to. You have your media options right here, and then your other radio options. And then below that, you have your climate controls, exhaust brake, tow haul mode, traction control, and your trailer brake right there with your four-wheel drive transfer case, as well as two 12 volts. That drawer pops out there, and then you have three cup holders next to your center console, which has a media hub with a USB port, aux port, and another 12 volt. This does fold up so you can fit a third person in this front seat, so it seats 6 people total, and you have more storage space underneath here with your CD insert. So it's just nice and hidden. You can keep your CDs down there with the player. So let's go look at the back seat. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. This is a bench seat, so you can just easily lift that up. You have lots of storage space underneath, and you have 2 cup holders. You also have these storage compartments in the floor, so you can just take them out, clean them off, put them right back in. You can put water bottles in there or anything. Making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps, your 4x4 badging, and your tow package right there with your hookups. So you can bring all of your trailers and stuff with you. And then looking into the bed here, you have your bed liner and your tie-down hooks in the back. So overall, love this truck. I love the appearance of it, especially those awesome wheels matching your exterior color. And you have a great interior as well. But if you want to see this truck or any of our other Rams, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.